5 New Technologies by Todd Krause, video number 4. Wrong button, excuse me. MuseScore from musescore.org. Standards I'll address ISTE 5C and ISTE 6B. Designing a learning environment that uses digital tools for my students. MuseScore is a creativity website or music composition website, and I'll get into that here in just a sec. Students can go on there. Students and our peers and colleagues can go on to MuseScore and create and compose music, sheet music for practice, for performance, or for publication as well. ISTE 6B, creating learning opportunities and challenges students rather than to solve problems. I can use this for different, I can use MuseScore for different assignments along the line. I have an example to share that where I used MuseScore to create an existing document that was misplaced. I'll get into that in just a second here. First, let's click on the website link. Take us to MuseScore. As you can see, it's almost like an app you need to download. Excuse me. There's tutorials, how-to, services, frequently asked questions. We'll get in here and it kind of walks you through the process of MuseScore. Just to download. I've already downloaded it previously during the first semester. And we got to this. At first, wasn't aware of this website back in my undergraduate degree in music business. We used MuseScore for composing for my arranging class, which has actually come in very, very beneficial to me, especially this year, my first year teaching. There's a handbook, a forum, there's tutorials on MuseScore, how to create. And if we just click on one real quick, there's short YouTube videos, setting up a score.
Welcome to MuseScore in Minutes, a series of short videos that'll quickly get you up and running with MuseScore 2.0.
And there's tutorials for many different lessons in creating MuseScore. Contribute. If there's anything you can help the website out with, you can do that. Activity, there's a message board, a forum for discussing different compositions and what people are creating on and troubleshooting problems. So we'll go back to download. This is where you download the latest version of MuseScore to begin your compositions. Scroll over here. And this is actually the composition or arrangement that I made for Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas, arranged by Paul Cook. When we used this song for a Christmas concert last December for junior high band, 7th and 8th grade. And the drum parts for snare drum and bass drum, the drum music, sheet music was missing out of the file. And I had the score. So I went ahead and typed up this quick arrangement based off of the score, matched the score perfectly. Same notes, rest, time signature, everything's the same as the score. But now that the students had a copy of the music. Come up here and you title the information. I'm going to show you a quick new one, make a new one here in just a second. Come in here and place the rests, notes, repeat marks, measure, bar lines, the DSL code. You have to put that in manually. You select your instruments beforehand, and then you go from there. And this is what it sounds like. If we start right here. And I know what you're thinking, that sounds exactly like Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. If we add the horns into that, it'd make more sense. Anyway, let's go to a file, new. I'm going to show you. You type in a title. For this, we'll say it's Technology Tutorial Song. Subtitle, none. Composer, myself. Lyricist, myself. Copyright 2018. Click on next. We had choose your instruments. Treble clef, bass clef, and see what happened. Go back. Just choose your instruments. You can have choral, organ, piano, SATB, soprano, alto, tenor, bass. You can start to add instrumentation or voice in many different types of ensembles, which is pretty awesome. Guitar tabs, piano, jazz music, jazz lead sheet, jazz combo. You get this some popular rock band, bluegrass band stuff. Concert band, small concert band, marching band. This goes on an orchestra. For the one that I made, I just used. We can choose our instruments here. And since I'm a guitar player, I'll add strings. Let's put in just an acoustic guitar, and I'll add the guitar, staff on treble clef. Go next. This is a key signature. Play with one flat. You can change your time signature, pickup measure, number of measures in your piece. Then you click finish. That brings you up to the song. There's all your measures. And now you start plugging in notes. Select a note. Let's see. And here you just change all your notes. There's rests. And you click on the note and then it changes the measure that's highlighted. If you play it, obviously it's all just rests. It's kind of a boring song. But that's what it is. Let's see. Let's get into notes. We get into that. Different fingerings for the guitar. Here's a lot of different palettes that you pull up. And that's when you begin to make your song. MuseScore can be used for students, peers, colleagues, conductors, directors such as myself. You can use that to make songs and compose. It's really good on students using their creative minds, and they can compose songs or drum cadences to be used in pep band or for marching band. The end result is like I have here, Have Yourself a Merry Little Christmas. This is one that I've made, and we use actually for the Christmas concert. So that was pretty neat. Using the digital tools and trying to get the students using their creative mind to solve problems, and they can create different warm-ups or practice tips and put it on sheet music, and they can have something accessible. They can pull it up on their laptop, they can send it, they can share it, they can save it, and also print it off, and then they have that copy. So MuseScore is a wonderful website for composing. Thank you.